Hi there, Aidin here. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I color my hair. Whenever I dye my hair, I use this black and worn out top instead of wearing a cape. And I also have a spare old pair of eyeglasses just so I won't need to worry when they get stained. I also need a makeup brush, a comb, and another comb with a pointed edge. Inside this hair color box, you will find conditioning developer cream bottle, power shimmer conditioner, aromatic shimmer serum, conditioning color gel, procedure manual, and disposable gloves. The first step is for me to apply this aromatic shimmer serum to the tips of my hair. I do this to avoid split ends, as when you often color your hair, it has the tendency to get dry, really dry. Next step is to combine the developer cream with the color gel. Instead of doing step 1, you can also add the aromatic shimmer serum with a mixture. Continue blending the mixture until you reach the desired color like this. It is important to test the product before using it so that you'll know whether you are allergic to it or not. Now I'm ready to apply the formula onto my hair, starting from the middle to the sides. Surely one box of hair color won't be enough to cover my entire hair, so I'll only be concentrating on the roots. By the way, if you're my subscriber, you would know that my channel is not really about DIY, but I share videos about my life as an expat here in Grand Cayman. You know what? I only learned coloring my hair while I'm working here in the island. That's because back in 2013, my entry salary was only around 2,500 US. So, I cannot afford to go to hair and beauty salon to get my hair done. So, I needed to pivot. I needed to learn this skill so I can save money and make the most out of my earnings. A word of caution. Depending on the formula that you'll be using, coloring your hair can have harmful effects such as hair loss, or it can really make your hair dry, brittle, and dull. That's why I don't do this as often as I used to. I only do it once a month now. I am done on this side, so I can now start on the other side. This is how much is left of the product that I will be using on the remaining portion of my hair. After the application, I massage my hair at least a minute or two. Afterwards, I'm going to wash my hair and rinse it thoroughly and apply this power shimmer conditioner. And rinse it again. No need to shampoo your hair, only that conditioner. Here is the end result, guys. Since I'm already 46, it is inevitable for me to have gray hairs. So I chose this color so that my gray hair will just naturally appear as highlights. I can honestly say that I am quite satisfied with the outcome, considering that I only used one box and I only covered the roots of my hair. The color, by the way, is iridescent blonde. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you again next time. This is Ideen, overseas.